Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Screen Time for family. First, open the Settings app on your device and tap on Screen Time. Next, select Turn on Screen Time, and then choose This is my child's iPhone or iPad. You will then be prompted to create a 4-digit screen time passcode. This passcode is crucial for preventing changes to settings without your permission. Confirm the passcode and enter your Apple ID and password for recovery. Now, let's set up content and privacy restrictions. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and toggle it on. Here, you can prevent iTunes and App Store purchases, including installing or deleting apps. You can also manage allowed apps, ensuring only age-appropriate applications are accessible. Furthermore, you can set content ratings for movies, TV shows, and books, and restrict web content to limit access to adult websites, providing a safer browsing experience for your child. Next, we'll configure downtime and app limits. Downtime allows you to schedule a period away from the screen, blocking most apps and notifications. You can set specific start and end times, for example, from 9 p.m. to 7 a.m. App limits let you set daily time limits for app categories, such as social networking or games. For instance, you could allow 1 hour for social media. These features help manage how much time is spent on the device. Finally, let's look at communication limits and always allowed apps. Communication limits let you control who your child can communicate with during screen time and downtime, ensuring they only talk to approved contacts. The Always Allowed section lets you select specific apps, like phone or messages, that will always be available, even during downtime. Remember to regularly review the activity reports to understand usage patterns and adjust settings as your family's needs change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.